Today I'm going to show you how to make a greeting card on wabanphoto.com. I'm on the home screen and I'm going to select from the menu at the top that says calendars and cards. Today I'm going to show you how to make a folded card. We have multiple options for folded cards. We have 4x6, 5x7, 5x7 accordion, and a 4x8 card. For this demonstration I'm going to show you a 5x7 folded card. You'll notice in the middle of the screen we have a variety of different cards that can be chosen. On the left-hand side of the screen, you can choose for different occasions and different types of cards. Season's greetings, save the date, party packs, New Year's, Mother's Days, a whole variety of cards to choose from. And you can also choose all styles. For this card, I'm just going to choose a Season's Greetings card. On the next screen, you have the ability to name your card. Now we're into the card builder. You have various options in the builder as to how to design your card. On the left, you have all of your photo collections that you've uploaded to the website. And then in the middle, you have your pages of the card. You can see them by thumbnail, edit each page, and then preview the whole card. So if you click on the first page, it shows you Be Joyful, and you can put a photo here. All you have to do is select from your photos and just drag and drop the photo into there. On this page, I can also add a little additional text. If you'll notice at the bottom, you have zoom, rotate, edit photo, and a few other options that you can use. For here, I'm going to click Add Text, and it pops up a new text box. Now you'll notice you can't really see the text, but you can move and edit the text here. Anywhere in this yellow box, if you click and hold on it, you can move the box around. If you click on the orange boxes, you can resize the box, make it taller, shorter. Below, you have the options for how to edit the text. You can change your font. Then you can also change your font size. You can make it bold, italic. You can use the alignment tools to align it inside of that box. You can choose the font color. You can choose your font color from all these different choices, or you can do a custom color by clicking the box below. Here you have a custom color selector. So if I find the color I want, I just click close, and there it is. I can move this box around to where I want it to sit on the page. I can put it below, I can put it above. I can also add more text if I want to put a year, a date, or another saying. Okay, now that I've done the front page, you can go to the next page by clicking the arrow on the side or going back to thumbnails and seeing what you've chosen. So here I have page 2, where it's going to allow me to put 2 photos. So here I'm going to add a couple of photos. You might notice that the photos are a little distorted. That's okay, because when they actually print, or if you click on the preview button, those photos will actually appear perfectly fine. I can also add text and make adjustments to the text. To go to the next page, you can just use the arrow button on the right, and here you have the ability to put another photo and some more text. If you don't want to put any text, you don't have to. You can just leave that box blank and it will not print. If the text looks good, you can just move to the next page, and this is the back page. Here you can also add additional text if you want. I'm not going to add anything to this part of it because I've got enough in the card. So now I'll go back to my thumbnails, and you can see this is the front page. When you open up the card, this is the first thing you'll see on the left. Then you'll see this page on the right, and this will be the back of the card. If everything looks good, you can just hit Add to Cart. If you need to make any changes, you can click on the page and then go back and make adjustments to your font size, your bold, italic, align, font color. You can also remove the font box, or you can add more text. When you're done, if you click on page 1, you can click on the preview button and it'll show you each of the pages. So here's page 1, the inside cover, the next page, and then the back. If everything looks good, you can just click Add to Cart. You notice once you click Add to Cart, it pulls up some cart options. You can change the name of the card here if you want. You can choose from a couple different envelopes, plain white, white with gold inside, white with silver foil inside. And then you'll notice on the right you have quantity discounts. So for this one, if I need 101 cards, it would bring the price down to $1.65 a card. Thus, I'd be saving quite a bit of money on the cards. So click Update Cart, and there you have it. I've just ordered 101 cards, and all I have to do is hit checkout, and that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and we hope to see your card orders on our website. Thank you.